Hello everyone, welcome back to the Arga Miniature channel. This time I'm going to create a cowboy figure from the Wild West era. As usual, I'll be using epoxy putty as the main material. I begin by making the head using soldering wire to form the armature. Then I cover the wire with epoxy putty. Make sure the size and shape match your figure sketch, so the proportions are accurate. This stage is called bulking, where I can focus on the form, not the details yet. Using sculpting tools like shape clay tools and needles will make the process easier, especially since this figure is very small and difficult to shape with just your fingers. Once the basic shape is done, I let it harden for a few hours. Next, I continue with carving to refine the head shape. I start making sockets for the eyes and shaping the nose with small bits of clay. Now the face start to take form. You can now see the forehead, nose and eyes area, even though they're still very rough. I continue by adding details to the face such as the nose, eyes, mouth and mustache. Bit by bit, the facial features started to take shape. Once everything is done, don't forget to check the proportion and overall size of the head. This is the stage to make any necessary adjustment in order to achieve a well-detailed face. One important tip when working with epoxy putty is to start sculpting fine details once the clay begins to harden. At this stage, the epoxy clay becomes firm enough to shape more precisely, making it easier to add facial details compared to when the clay is still too soft. Okay, let's move on to sculpting the upper and lower body. Using the reference sketches, I adjusted the shape and size accordingly. And just like before, I started with the basic form first. While waiting for the clay to dry, I move on to making the hair and adding other small details on the head. Unlike other type of clay such as polymer clay or oil clay, epoxy putty hardens within approximately about 2 hours. It might sound like you have to rush before it sets, but my advice is to work at your own pace and do touch up later by carving or sanding the area that need refinement, and then resculpt as needed. Just like with the head sculpt, I often go back and make adjustments here and there until I'm satisfied with the result. Alright, now let's move on to making the cowboy hat. For the hat, I use Tamiya epoxy putty. Similar to Aves epoxy putty, this material also hardened in a few hours. Here, I use some powder to prevent the epoxy from sticking to the cutting mat. After that, I attached the hat to the hat using super glue, and then began shaping and adding details to the hat. Once the torso and hip section is hardened, I started installing the armature into the body. Then I attach the hat as well. Now that the head, body, and armature are all assembled, the next step is to pose the figure before continuing to the next stage. Alright, now let's continue this project in the next video, where I will move on to bulking and detailing the body. Thanks for watching.